Here's a step-by-step guide on how to fix the Wi-Fi connected but no internet access issue on Windows 10. Step 1. Restart your computer and router. Restart your computer to refresh the network configuration. Restart your router modem by turning it off, waiting for 10 seconds, and turning it back on. Step 2. Check other devices. Try connecting other devices, phones, tablets, etc., to the same Wi-Fi network. If other devices can connect to the internet, the issue is likely with your Windows 10 PC. If no devices can connect, the problem might be with the router or the internet connection itself. Step 3. Run the Windows Network Troubleshooter. 1. Right-click on the network icon in the system tray, bottom right corner of your screen. 2. Select Troubleshoot Problems. 3. Follow the on-screen instructions as Windows diagnoses and attempts to resolve any issues. Step 4. Reset the IP configuration. 1. Press Windows X and select Windows PowerShell Admin or Command Prompt Admin. 2. In the window, type the following commands one at a time and press Enter after each. netch winsock reset, netchint IP reset, ipconfig/release, ipconfig/renew, ipconfig/flush DNS. 3. Restart your computer after running these commands. Step 5. Check Wi-Fi adapter settings. 1. Press Windows X and select Device Manager. 2. Expand Network Adapters. 3. Right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter and select Properties. 4. Go to the Power Management tab and uncheck the box next to Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. 5. Click OK. Step 6. Update or reinstall the Wi-Fi adapter driver. 1. In Device Manager, expand Network Adapters. 2. Right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter and select Update Driver. If an update is found, follow the instructions to install it. 3. If updating doesn't work, try uninstalling the driver. Right-click on the adapter, choose Uninstall Device, then restart your PC. Windows will automatically reinstall the driver. Step 7. Check DNS settings. 1. Right-click the Wi-Fi icon in the system tray and choose Open Network and Internet Settings. Click Change Adapter Options. 3. Right-click your Wi-Fi connection and select Properties. 4. Double-click on Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IPv4. 5. Ensure Obtain an IP address automatically and Obtain DNS server address automatically are selected. 6. Click OK. Step 8. Reset network settings. 1. Go to Settings by pressing Windows I. 2. Click on Network and Internet. 3. Scroll down and select Network Reset. 4. Click Reset Now. This will remove and reinstall all network adapters and reset networking components back to default. Step 9. Disable VPN antivirus if applicable. If you're using a VPN or third-party antivirus software, try disabling it temporarily to see if it's causing the issue. Step 10. Contact your ISP. If none of these steps work, contact your Internet Service Provider, ISP, to check for service outages or issues with your connection. These steps should help you resolve the issue. If the problem persists, there could be a more specific configuration issue that requires additional troubleshooting.